fruit milk banana smoothie or banana milk dragon fruit smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the dragon fruit recipes and one of the most unique of the banana recipes and one of the most easiest to make the smoothie recipes and one of the most different of the milk smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make the dragon fruit smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the banana smoothie recipes for kids. Today we're going to make dragon fruit banana milk smoothie. Cut the dragon fruit into small pieces. Now we've taken small banana and cut it into small pieces. We've also taken a large banana variety which is called Nindran and cut into pieces. Put in the banana pieces into the blender. Close and blend well and grind. Put in the dragon fruit pieces into the ground banana. And grind and blend well with the banana. Put in 2 to 3 spoons of sugar. One 180 ml of milk into the mixture. And blend well. Dragon fruit banana milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Now slowly pour in the dragon fruit banana smoothie into the glass. Keep it aside. Pour into the next glass. This is the final. Dragon Fruit Milk Banana Smoothie, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes for kids, and one of the most unique of the dragon fruit recipes and one of the most delicious of the dragon fruit smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most different of the banana recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the banana milk smoothie recipes. Like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.